You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Sarah. We are on our way to the SACHEU Beauty office, and I'm gonna do a little mini vlog today because I realized I've never actually shown you guys the office. We've had it for almost 2 years now. We had a smaller one before in the same building, and we have since moved to our new huge office. We also did wallpapers on there. It's like really nice now. And we're doing office hours today with some of our TikTok shop creators, which will be really cool. And we actually have a very special guest. My mama! My mom is visiting LA, so I thought it would be nice to take my mom to work. It's a take my mom to work day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah, very excited. I want to see your office.
Yeah. Should we go to Air One today? There's one really close to the office. Okay, let's go get a
What's
Haley.
that?
You'll love it.
Oh, yes.
We're gonna go get a Haley Beaver smoothie. You'll get to meet the team at SACHEU and see what the day-to-day office vibe is like. We're almost at the office now, but before we do the full office tour, here's a little message from Sarah from my home office. Taking a break from the vlog to share a very special message, especially for the entrepreneurs out there. We cannot speak about SACHEU's tremendous growth in the last few years without mentioning TikTok Shop. We have received over 5 billion impressions and almost 2 million lip liners sold. So if you sell anything online at all and you're not on TikTok Shop yet, this is your sign. What really made me realize how powerful TikTok Shop is when Kim Kardashian and Doja Cat said that they bought our lip liner stain from TikTok Shop.
Oh, I bought this on the TikTok Shop.
That lip stain from TikTok.
We all know TikTok Shop's great for small creators, but it's also amazing for small to medium businesses. No matter your size, whether you have 1 million followers or 200, a good video can make your product go viral. 4 out of 5 people say they find new brands right here on TikTok Shop, including me. This hoodie I'm wearing, TikTok Shop. As a beauty content creator, I just film my videos like I usually do, but now I can make them shoppable. And if you already post content, you're already halfway there. Someone can see your product, tap, and buy in the app without ever leaving TikTok. There's no checkout friction, there's no 20-step process, you can do everything in app. And what's really cool, if you don't want to be the face of your brand, you can team up with TikTok Shop creators who already have audiences, and they can do the selling for you. And that's what makes it feel authentic. It's real people showing products that they really love. They've also made it super easy to start. You just sign up with your TikTok account, upload your product, and you're live. Plus, they have a new seller Kickstarter program where you can earn TikTok ad credits equivalent to 4% of your GMV within 60 days, up to $22,800. You can earn up to $6,000 product vouchers and unlock up to $2,000 in additional ad credits by hitting your monthly GMV targets. This is only available to new and rising sellers for a limited time. They're basically paying you to test it out. We're entering holiday season, which is peak traffic, the biggest growth moment of the year. So why not start now? If you've been putting it off, this is your little push. I'll drop the link in the description. It takes 2 minutes to set up, and go make your product the next TikTok made me buy it moment. Okay, let's get back to the vlog. So this is our new wallpaper that was just installed. Before this, it was all blank. And then here are all the cookies that we have prepared for the TikTok Shop creators. We've got everybody's name on here. Look how cute this is. A lip liner stain, cookie, eyeshadow stain, contour stain, so cute. So we're doing office hours for our top TikTok Shop creators, which is gonna be really cool because a lot of them are flying in for it actually, and we'll get to spend some FaceTime with them. They're some of our best creators on TikTok Shop. It'll just be great to talk to them about product, what they've been loving, what shades they like, and what ideas they have for the future of SACHEU. I'm trying to be quiet because everyone's working. These are some of the offices. This is our conference room. So this is where we have all the big meetings. And then here's a shelf of all of our products, of course. This is our limited edition makeup bag that was only available at SACHEU World, but we might bring it back and make it a permanent product. And then of course the SACHEU Beauty hat. You'll leave with one, I promise. And then of course our skincare products, our eyeshadow stain, liquid glow stain, cheek stain, and yeah, our entire product lineup is here. So it's kind of like a mini store. Actually, it's kind of heavy, so I'm not gonna lift it, but congratulations, SACHEU Beauty, on reaching 100,000 orders from Shopify. It's probably a lot higher now.
Yeah, I'm so proud.
So this is the kitchen area where we have a lot of snacks. And then we have some snacks here, our coffee bar. And this is our makeup sponge, which is branded. And not only is it branded outside, the actual sponge is embossed. It's kind of hard to see, but it has the SACHEU logo on it. A lot more limited edition stuff, our notebook. This is made for the SACHEU World Masterclass. We made it so people can take notes and, you know, use it for the masterclass. And oh, we have SACHEU Beauty pens as well, which is really cool. She's already stealing stuff.
Sorry.
And then,
She promised.
I promise, yes. And then we have the lip liner stains, the cheek stain, the contour stains. All of our products are here. We also have these hair clips, compact mirror, and the Octo Buddy from SACHEU World as well. We'll give you a gift bag, don't worry. This is where all the product development magic happens. This is the marketing department. She is the entire marketing department.
Me, it's all me.
Of course, we have this giant lip liner stain. Actually, when we did Sabrina Carpenter last night, someone stopped us while we were moving this and wanted to take a photo with the lip liner stain. So this has been a huge hit. You're always bugging me to ship everything to Hong Kong, so here's your one chance to get whatever you need from the office. So feel free to take what you need.
That's not big enough.
It's big enough. Mom.
You have to take a bath.
Oh my God, we'll get you two.
I'm just kidding.
What are your picks? The lip elixir?
Yep.
What shade did you get?
Bunny tongue.
Is that your favorite one?
Always.
Oh, nice.
This is my third one. I
Your
guess.
third one?
I wear it every day.
Do you like the shimmer one? I feel like,
Oh, yes.
yeah, we have the Tanghuli candy as well. This is a lip liner stain in the shade nude.
Oh, lip. Okay. Where's the pink one?
You want pink?
Yeah.
It's right here.
Oh.
03.
Pink is amazing. Even after you brush your teeth, still there. That's
Really
what I
love-
wear today.
Yeah, me too. 02, I'm playful.
You tell me.
Yes, this is the liquid glow stain.
It's my color.
I think 02 or 03 would look really good on you.
Can I have both?
Take both. And then we have, of
And
course, these limited edition clips.
Yes. I love it. Okay, that's it.
That's it? No mirror, no octopus?
Oh, I already have that.
Okay, okay. Is that enough?
Yes.
Okay, good. Drinking on the job? I'll have a sip. Cheers. You know what she does when she steals all my products? She doesn't even use them. She brings them back and she gives them away to the entire village, to like all of her friends. She's the official SACHEU distributor in Hong Kong.
That's right. Proud mommy.
Proud mommy. I'm just teasing.
I'm so excited to kick off our Black Friday Cyber Monday campaign with all of you here, and I invited Sarah here. A lot of you might know Sarah's our founder, and she's the talented girl that came up with the Peel Off lip liner stain.
Remember when they were putting it on the lip stain on the cheek?
Yes.
That was my first one. So I was like, I saw someone do this.
My favorite
I
shade.
think this is like my fifth bottle.
My journey with SACHEU started because my son busted my lip, and I decided to put on a lip stain to kind of like neutralize the bruise that I had on my mouth.
And I didn't know it was a peel off. I thought it was like a rub off. I seen her post a video and I seen her peeling it off. I'm like, oh, I was doing it.
You actually see like the beginning of my videos, you can tell it was just me trying to perfect the flying. So the first time I ate it, like I put it way too close to the line. I was like, I ate it, which it went viral.
I work out, I'm always outside, I touch my face a lot, and so to have makeup that actually stays is awesome. But specifically the contour, whatever it is about the applicator, makes it so easy to do your nose.
I'm Sarah, I'm the founder of SACHEU Beauty, and it's been really inspiring to hear all of your stories. I was on a similar journey back in the day, like before TikTok on YouTube. It was just me and my camera, and I was just playing with all this PR that was sent to me. I became really obsessed with product. That's why I wanted to start SACHEU. Fast forward to, I think it was 2023, I was playing with my brow tint, which was a peel off, and I put it on my lips and it actually lasted all day, longer than all of the lip liners I had, and I probably had 50 in my drawer. So I posted on TikTok, it got 1 million views, and I was like, okay, let's make a product out of this. And we launched with just 3 shades, and it went so viral immediately. We did not expect it, and we have since, of course, extended the shade range. launch. And that really became the proof that we needed to extend our makeup range. And now we have a cheek stain and contour stain, and we can keep innovating, which is really exciting. And it's been great hearing what all of your favorite products are, because they're all like my babies. It's like you guys are talking about my children. So it's it's been a really amazing journey, and I'm so happy you guys are part of it.
Hello. Enjoying? So enjoy?
Don't cry, everyone's here.
It's okay. It's good means you're happy.
She just stole our last SACHEU beauty mug. You are SACHEU'd down. She's making content for us. Okay, here are some new things we're working on. This is all under embargo, so I need to make you sign an NDA. This is early sample, so it's not the final color.
Oh,
Yeah. You can't show it. Are you excited for it?
oh, everything.
Approved?
Yes. You don't need my approval.
No, you're the product testing. You're part of the product testing team.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I am?
Yeah,
Okay.
you're very critical.
Where's my salary?
Expensive hire. What do you think of the office?
It's bigger than I expected. Yeah.
It's good.
It's good.
I think it was my second YouTube video. You were in that one.
Only second one?
Yeah, that was my second one. I filmed with you, remember?
Yeah.
Doing your makeup. That was my second video ever.
Really?
Yeah.
Only the second.
Yes. And then when we filmed it,
Wow.
you played it on TV, or I played it on TV. I don't remember if it was me or you. But we put it on TV, and you took a photo of me standing next to the video. I probably still have that photo somewhere. That was almost 10 years ago.
That long?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Now we have your own brand
Yeah.
and office here, LA. I think a lot of people think it's easy. But you just do makeup and talking to the camera. I remember one time you asked me to make a video of the product. I think I took like 10 times.
You did
I don't
10
know.
takes?
A short one. I took one and then the lighting is not right and then I give up. I didn't finish it because it's too hard. Only one video. It's not easy.
It's
not
not.
easy at all.
It's not.
And you did it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry.
No.
No.
Thank you so much for coming to the office with me today. This has
Yeah.
been fun. I'm glad some of the team got to meet you and
Oh, yes.
you got to meet them. You got your bag of products, and we'll probably get you a couple more before you go.
Yay!
It's been fun.
I'm so happy.
Okay, good. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Mwah.